welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marion. In today's video, I am unboxing my new camera. Now, this is my second time trying to record this video because as you can tell, I have lost my voice. So I'm gonna get through this real quick. And I mean, basically, I had put everything together in the previous video, but just for formalities, I'm gonna, show everything. I didn't take it apart, but you'll get what I'm saying. So I bought the new, well, it's not new. It's been around for maybe like 3 years. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T8i, and it comes with the stock lens kit. So it comes with like a manual, a guide, and then a paper for you to register for warranty. I need to do that as soon as possible. And then I'm just gonna open up the box again. The strap, the Canon strap. Now this is the body of the camera. It does have a flip out screen, and I do have the battery inside. So I'm just gonna cut it on so you can at least see. It's not gonna really just show because I don't have the lens attached. So, but you can see, well, you can't see like the menu, what comes on here. And then if I went into video mode, it's gonna say I need to make sure that the lens is attached. But I just want you to see that the screen does work. And so I'm gonna cut it off and close it. And then you have like the turn dial, and then the shutter, the ISO, and the control, the shutter button. And then of course you have like on the back, the standard menu button. And then if you do like auto focus, white balance, if you want to review what you recorded, delete, just the basic. This camera it's not heavy, but it has a nice grip, as you can see. And then the stock lens is the 18 through 55 EFS lens, and it does expand out. And it has the guard on the front of the lens and then on the back to protect that. So I'm gonna attach the lens. So basically you just need to align it in the certain slots and then turn it to lock. And then, you can adjust. And on the lens, you have the stabilization on and off. And then you have the AF or manual focus right here. Now, I'm gonna keep this lens. I could sell it because I did purchase a different lens that I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm also going to list the retail price of this camera down below as well. But I really wanted a new camera for my sit down videos. I really don't vlog. I might get back into vlogging. I don't know. I really don't do much, so that's why I don't really vlog. Oh, and let me just show you the SD card goes right here. One thing I like about this camera that was different than the Canon M50 that I had is that the battery, where you put the battery, is not a part of where you would attach the gimbal. So that means I could keep this on my tripod and then just interchange the battery as needed versus having to take it off the tripod, then put the battery in. That was a nuisance for me, so that is a plus. So let me just show you the additional lens that I purchased. This is the Canon 50mm. This is has the f 1.8 STM, so that should give me a more crisp image, crisp video than the stock lens. And I got this from Best Buy, and I'll list how much this costs as well. Now you can find these cameras used or refurbished at a much cheaper price. And of course I had to get a mic, external mic. So Jason got me this also from Best Buy, and this is just a video micro Rode mic that I'm going to put on top right here. So it'll just sit right here, and then you have the mic port right here, and then HDMI port right here, and then this is another port. I guess maybe you can, if you have a rechargeable battery or so. I'll figure that out, you know, sometime soon. But like on here, you can see where the mic is on the camera. So the microphone comes with the suspension mount, the cable, and then the rabbit's foot or the Flurry windshield. That's if I was to be recording outside, and it'll prevent the wind, you know, you hearing the wind in my videos. But I'm not really sure I'll be recording on this particular camera outside. So that was just my quick video unboxing my new camera. I will be testing it out, changing different settings. So bear with me because I'm not an expert on cameras. So I'm just going to be tinkering with it. Some videos may have different, you know, lighting. I just want to make sure that I find the right one that looks good to me and that shows my videos good on TV, as well as if you're looking on your phone or your iPad or any type of tablet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.